Warning: the following video is performed by a trained professional. It is meant for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt to try anything you see here. Enjoy. Hey YouTube, Dan from Southall Computing here today, and we have a MacBook Pro 5.2 17-inch 2.8 gigahertz machine running 1068. Came into the shop because we wanted to get a couple things done. First, right off the bat here, we wanted 8 gigs of memory. And also, you guessed it, solid state drives. So this thing is going to get a big boost in performance after we're done with it. As always, we like to do a baseline of what the computer currently has. So let's see what the current boot time is. So we're going to say about 42 seconds, 43 seconds. Not too bad considering this is still 1068. I could only imagine how much longer if we got it fully upgraded to 1010, 1011, whichever. So yeah, we are going to do it now. We're going to clone it off the original traditional hard drive to the solid state, and we might even throw up a video of a quick time lapse of everything going in. Okie doke, here we go. We'll be back. Okay, so we have the original hard drive cloned. Matter of fact, we threw it in this external enclosure here for a Time Machine backup drive. And basically RAM and the SSD went in pretty smoothly, as you saw with the time lapse that we just did. It's time to see what we get with a boot up time with this new SSD. So here we go. "26 seconds. Pretty big improvement there, and the computer is completely booted, where before with the 40 seconds the machine was still booting and took another good minute and a half before it was finished. As always folks, if you like what you see here, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, do what you gotta do. It will be greatly appreciated. This is Dan from Southall Computing, and as always, until the next time.